Welcome to paradise, your dream summer starts at home. Welcome back to Avaro's Decor, where modern luxury meets everyday living. Today, we're bringing you the ultimate summer home inspiration for 2025, design ideas that blend the elegance of modern luxury with the relaxing vibes of a tropical vacation. Picture this: fresh ocean breezes, fragrant flowers, lush green plants, and a home that feels like your favorite getaway. From tranquil courtyards to breezy bedrooms, this video will show you how to create that dream destination feeling right at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your favorite ideas in the comments. We love hearing from you and can't wait to build this design journey together. The mood of modern luxury this summer. The 2025 summer season is all about refined comfort with natural elegance. Modern luxury isn't just about expensive finishes, it's about creating meaningful experiences through thoughtful design. Think open spaces that breathe, natural textures that invite touch, and color palettes that calm the soul. The goal? To make your home a daily escape, a destination that feeds your senses and soothes your mind. Open concept living with a breezy flow. Imagine walking into a living space filled with sunlight, soft neutral tones, and wide open windows. Open concept layouts are the foundation of modern luxury this summer. Large sliding glass doors, flowing sheer curtains, and an effortless indoor-outdoor connection help the air move and the energy flow. Use lightweight linen, sandy beiges, and warm woods to give that breezy, resort-like feel every time you step through the door. The Vacation-Inspired Courtyard. If you have the space, a central courtyard garden is the crown jewel of vacation-style living. This timeless Mediterranean element returns strong in 2025, filled with terracotta tiles, oversized potted citrus trees, and trickling water features. Frame your courtyard with arched doorways or floor-to-ceiling glass panels for maximum impact. This is where luxury meets nature, where tranquility becomes a centerpiece. Botanical entrances that wow. First impressions matter, and the entrance of your home should set the tone. For 2025, we're seeing bold floral arrangements, vertical garden walls, and even flower-covered trellises above entryways. Create a layered look with flowering vines like bougainvillea, jasmine, or clematis. Mix them with polished stone paths and soft ambient lighting for that instant vacation villa mood. Tropical plants in minimalist interiors. You don't need to live in the tropics to bring that lush, vibrant feeling inside. In fact, pairing tropical plants with clean-lined furniture creates a beautiful contrast. Try bird of paradise, monstera, or banana plants in large ceramic pots. Their broad, glossy leaves bring drama and life to minimalist interiors without disrupting the calm. Floral art as a statement. Summer 2025 home decor is embracing large-scale floral artwork in a big way. Oversized canvas prints, pressed flower wall hangings, and floral murals transform blank walls into artistic moments. These pieces work beautifully against white walls or soft taupe backgrounds. The key is choosing pieces that evoke both elegance and joy, art that feels like a blooming memory from a summer trip.